After completing the drive from Darwin, the second half of day 3 gave us a little time to explore Alice Springs, including the view over the city from Anzac Hill, and a chance to see the Ghan departing south to Adelaide through the Gap. Day 4 was going to be a long one, so after a brief refresh in the hotel pool, it was time to recharge the car and ourselves. A beautiful sunrise greeted us on day 4, and it was time to meet up with the 5 other EV owners who had driven from the east and the south, facing typical Australian dangers like dinosaurs, car-eating cows, and a few rocks on the road here and there. So after introducing our cars and making some new EV friends, it was time to represent electric vehicles in the Henley on Todd parade.
It's always like a game of cat and mouse out here in the arena. The drivers can't see behind him. I don't know who's going to sneak up behind him. Here's a good manoeuvre by the Vikings, and they can't hand-to-hand combat. This is what we love to see. Vikings playing piggy in the middle. Doesn't get much closer than that, does it, Commodore?
How is anyone even surviving any of this? That's what I want to know. They've all signed releases, haven't they, Commodore? That's good.
After a brilliant time at the Henley on Todd, followed by the obligatory group dinner, it was time to put this day to bed. We kicked off day 5 helping clean up after the event, followed by brekkie at the Alice Springs market. The classic Outback trial, a rally of classic and vintage cars, gave us an opportunity to appreciate some of these old cars in all their glory. Sadly, before we knew it, it was time to say goodbye to some new friends and start the return trip to Darwin. Thanks again for watching. Please, if you did, like and subscribe, and until next time, safe EV travels.